ComfyUI and n8n are two workflow tools that serve fundamentally different purposes. ComfyUI is a node-based interface for AI image and video generation, while n8n is a general-purpose automation platform for connecting apps, APIs, and services. This comparison outlines their core functions and ideal use cases. Overview of both platforms. ComfyUI is a powerful node-based interface primarily used for AI image and video generation workflows. It gives users full control over every step of automation, from prompts and models to samplers, upscalers, and advanced pipelines. This makes it very strong for creative AI work, where deep customization and fine control over outputs are required. However, it is not a traditional automation tool for business tasks. It is more focused on visual AI workflows and requires time and technical knowledge to build and manage systems properly. ComfyUI is best for developers, AI artists, and power users who want full control over generative AI pipelines. n8n is a general-purpose automation tool designed to connect apps, APIs, and services into automated workflows. It is widely used for business automation, including sending emails, syncing data, managing CRMs, running scheduled tasks, and even integrating AI tools into real workflows. n8n works with a visual flowchart system where users connect triggers and actions. It is much easier to use for non-technical users compared to ComfyUI. n8n also supports self-hosting, API integration, and AI agents, making it very flexible for both personal and enterprise automation. Key comparison points. Primary purpose. ComfyUI is designed for AI content creation, image, and video generation. n8n is designed for business and operational automation connecting apps and services. Target user. ComfyUI suits developers, AI artists, and power users. n8n suits business users, operations teams, and anyone needing workflow automation. Ease of use. ComfyUI has a steep learning curve and requires technical knowledge. n8n is easier for non-technical users with a visual flowchart system. Real-world focus. ComfyUI focuses on creative AI pipelines. n8n focuses on productivity, data synchronization, and task automation. Flexibility. ComfyUI offers deep control over generative AI models. n8n offers broad integration with hundreds of apps and APIs. Recommendations. Choose ComfyUI if your goal is AI, content creation, image and video generation, or advanced creative workflows. It is the better choice for users who need fine-grained control over generative AI pipelines and are willing to invest time in learning the node-based system. Choose n8n if your goal is real-world automation, business workflows, and connecting different apps and services. It is the better choice for users who want to save time on everyday tasks, automate business processes, and integrate AI tools into practical operations. For most users, n8n offers more practical value because it saves time in everyday tasks and business automation. ComfyUI is more powerful for specialized AI creative work, but is not a general automation replacement. The choice depends entirely on whether you need creative AI generation or operational business automation.